So how do you adjust the length of the title in iMovie on the iPad? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe, but let's get started by opening up the iMovie app. You might be inside of your existing projects and whatnot. So tap on some clips below where you can tap on the little T icon which says title. And obviously you get to pick from all of these different styles and looks, but you pick something, it will just show up on the screen and you can basically just enable it like that. So you can select it with your finger, tap on edit, and this will let you select delete the existing sample text and type in your own title. And if you want to make it longer, I believe that you can make it as long as you really need. Obviously, there is some limit, but if I just keep on just adding more and more and more, it just lets me do that without an obvious issue. So the title can really be as long as you need it to be, right? Once I confirm it, then you can see that this is the title. So I kind of find it to be working okay. Obviously, the iMovie isn't as professional as some other softwares, let's say, because in the video editors like CapCut or even Final Cut, you have much more controls over your titles and stuff like that, right? So yeah, if you need more, I would believe that you have to upgrade or switch to a different editing platform. But as of right now, it kind of works okay in here as well. So let me know your specific struggles below in the comments. Perhaps I'll make an updated video just about that. But thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.